list structure will have those four functions from the deck as well, like push front and back, pop front and back as well. So let's first implement those ones. So we will have, of course, a size function, which is to return count value. Then push front, then push back, and then pop front function, and then pop back function. So far, no list is identical to deck except terminology, head and tail. So let's implement those ones. Int list size const function return count, and then let's implement push front first. So push front, as we did in the deck function, what we actually do is as follows. First, push front. Why do I have error? So list.h push front int. That's right. So we are going to push data into that. So if you recall how we implemented the push front from deck, we did as follows. First, create a new node with the data wrapped around. Then what you do is if count is 0, so there's no data at all, then head and tail is the new node just created. Else, there exists data already, then the new node new node will be inserted at the very front. So new node is next should be the current the front node, and then the current front node, the previous one is the new node, and then head is a new node. So that's the operation we need to do push front. That's the same operation of deck. Then we increment count. Then let's implement push back there. So push back, we do very similar operation. Create a new node. Then if count is 0, no data at all, then head, the tail is p. Else we are adding at the very end, so current tail next is a new one that will be appended. The new one, the previous is a current tail, and then tail, the new node becomes a tail of the list. Then increment the counter. So let's continue to do pop function in the next video.